For decades, Russia has been a powerhouse in space exploration, charting the unknown, studying distant planets, and venturing where no one had gone before. But alongside their celebrated achievements, from the first satellite to pioneering missions to Venus, lie a collection of cosmic puzzles, anomalies, and strange signals that challenge our understanding of the universe. Some of these discoveries, buried in old data or captured by modern telescopes, remain profoundly mysterious even today. What secrets are still hiding in the archives of Russian space research? The story begins with a legacy of ambition. For generations, Soviet and then Russian scientists at Roscosmos pushed the boundaries of what was possible. Their missions weren't just about reaching new destinations. They were about understanding the fundamental nature of space itself. They studied cosmic radiation, mapped distant stars, and sent probes to other worlds. Some of their findings confirmed long-held theories, but others threw open the doors to brand new questions, creating puzzles that have stumped researchers for decades. Even now, scientists are digging through old mission data, hoping to find clues that were missed the first time around. Because sometimes, the biggest discoveries aren't made in a flash of insight, but through the patient work of unraveling a mystery that has persisted for years. One of the most fascinating chapters in this story is the strange world of Venus. In a series of daring missions, the Soviet Venera program achieved the impossible, landing spacecraft on the surface of our hellish sister planet. These probes survived just long enough in the crushing pressure and searing heat to send back the first and only images from the Venusian surface. What they revealed was a world more extreme than anyone had imagined, a place with a runaway greenhouse effect and an atmosphere thick with acidic clouds. But recent analysis of old and new data has hinted at something even stranger. High up in the Venusian atmosphere, in layers where the temperature and pressure are less severe, conditions might just be right for microbial life to exist. There's no proof yet, but the possibility that life could be floating in the clouds of Venus remains an electrifying thought. The planet next door may still be hiding its greatest secret. Then there's the puzzle of cosmic radiation. Russian satellites have played a crucial role in studying the high-energy particles that constantly rain down on Earth from deep space. We know that many of these particles are shot out from exploding stars or powerful galactic events. But some of them, the ultra-high-energy cosmic rays, are simply too powerful to be easily explained. They possess energies far beyond anything we can create on Earth, and their origins are a complete mystery. Scientists have proposed all sorts of exotic sources, from unknown types of cosmic accelerators to strange, undiscovered astrophysical processes. It's a humbling reminder that the universe is capable of producing forces that still lie beyond our comprehension. The cosmos is filled with an invisible, high-speed storm, and we still don't know what's creating the lightning. Beyond particles, Russian observatories have also detected strange signals in the sky. Imagine pointing a radio telescope at a seemingly empty patch of space and suddenly picking up a powerful, fleeting burst of energy. It appears without warning and vanishes just as quickly, never to be heard from again. Early detections of these transient signals were incredibly puzzling. In the modern era, we've classified many of them as fast radio bursts, or FRBs, and thanks to better instruments, we're detecting more of them. But even today, their exact origins are fiercely debated. Are they coming from magnetars, a type of neutron star with an incredibly powerful magnetic field? Or are they the product of something else entirely? For a brief moment, the sky speaks to us in a language we don't understand, leaving behind more questions than answers. The universe isn't just speaking in radio waves, it's also screaming in high-energy light. Russian space missions have been at the forefront of studying gamma rays and X-rays, the most energetic forms of radiation. Projects like the Spectre RG Observatory are currently mapping the entire sky in this high-energy light, revealing a universe of violent and chaotic events. Colliding neutron stars, supermassive black holes devouring matter, and the brilliant death throes of massive stars. But even in this cosmic zoo of extreme objects, some sources just don't fit the models. They flare up unexpectedly, their emissions varying wildly, fading into near invisibility before suddenly brightening again. We know that extreme physics is at play, but our current theories can't fully explain their unpredictable behavior. We are watching the most violent events in the cosmos unfold, but we're still struggling to read the script. Perhaps the most profound mystery of all is the one that shapes everything we see. Russian cosmologists, like their counterparts around the world, have found overwhelming evidence for the existence of dark matter. This invisible substance makes up the vast majority of matter in the universe, and its gravity is what holds galaxies together. Without it, the stars in our own Milky Way would simply fly apart. Yet after decades of searching with increasingly sensitive experiments, we have failed to directly detect a single particle of dark matter. It's everywhere, but it's nowhere to be seen. This has led to some radical ideas. Maybe dark matter interacts with our world in ways we haven't even imagined. Or maybe, just maybe, our understanding of gravity itself is incomplete. All of these cosmic puzzles, from the clouds of Venus to the invisible scaffolding of the universe, point to a deeper truth. In science, some questions never really go away. They just evolve. What powers the most energetic particles in the cosmos? What secrets lie hidden inside the event horizon of a black hole? Why does dark matter dominate the universe? And is Venus truly a dead world? Scientific progress is often slow and methodical. Answers don't always come easily. Some mysteries will remain unsolved for generations, waiting for the right instrument, the right theory, or that one unexpected discovery that changes everything. The era of space exploration didn't end with the first satellites or the first steps on the moon. In many ways, it has only just begun. The data collected by Russian and Soviet missions decades ago still holds unanswered questions, and new missions continue to push deeper into the unknown. But for all our progress, the universe remains overwhelmingly vast, complex, and mysterious. And perhaps that is the greatest secret of all. The more we discover, the more we realize how much we have yet to understand. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.